Morning, Dave the Family Farmer here. Yep, yesterday afternoon, rain, and I'm telling you, it came down. Yesterday afternoon, all night long, I'm telling you, it was raining. We got, they said, between 1 and 3 inches of rain. Well, let me show you what I do for my rain gauge. See my wheelbarrow there? That is my rain gauge. They said we got 1 to 3 inches. Well, look at, that's how much rain we got. This baby is full. That's how much rain we got. Lots and lots of water. And of course, rhubarb loved it. Rhubarb loved it a lot. And she's windy out here. And of course, we're supposed to get more rain. Yep. Wow. Okay. Toodle-too. We'll see you on the next round in between rains. Okay, you all take care. God bless. Bye-bye now.